Of course, a cat's breath is not going to smell like roses. Especially since cats are inherently carnivores. After all, the main part of their diet is meat. And even more so, sometimes the meat is not the first freshness. But when cat breath smells like death, it is time to think about it. Join us on this journey to uncover the secrets of combating bad breath in cats and fostering a happier, healthier bond with your furry friend. Cats take pride in their hygiene. And we would certainly like to think that their constant licking and washing is done for our benefit. However, this is not the case. Feline grooming is a more ancient instinct than we realize, and all this beauty and cleanliness is not for our benefit. The reason of cats washing is simple: they eliminate odors that could easily give them away to feline competitors, other predators, or prey. Of course, being clean and odor-free is definitely a good advantage of owning a cat. Isn't it? Although there are a few reasons why a cat may not have a sweet odor, more on that later. A healthy cat's breath should be almost odorless. It is mentioned that your cat's breath should smell fairly neutral, and any foul odor is a sign of oral hygiene problems or other health issues. A sharp, fishy or rotten odor in cats' mouths is almost always a sign of a problem. A putrid, pungent, unpleasant odor from a cat's mouth has a scientific name: halitosis. Actually, halitosis is the common name for all cases of bad odor coming from the mouth. And yes, it also applies to humans. Bad breath is the result of odor-producing bacteria accumulating in your cat's mouth. According to International Cat Care, 85% of cats have some sort of dental disease, and it's no wonder why. A cat's teeth and gums contain naturally occurring bacteria. As these microbes multiply and are not removed by brushing, they can form bacterial plaque on the teeth. Due to natural minerals in your cat's saliva, this film hardens and becomes tartar. In turn, the remaining bacteria in the cat's mouth release stinky compounds after they break down the leftover food. This not only causes bad breath, these bacteria can travel with the blood to various organs where they cause infections, often leading to heart and kidney disease. So, what causes halitosis in cats? It can be bacteria associated with dental plaque, tartar, decomposing food particles left in the periodontal pockets, persistent bleeding due to impaired coagulation, tissue necrosis, tissue dying off. Contrary to popular belief, this foul odor is not affected by air in the lungs or stomach odor. The most common cause of bad breath in cats is periodontal disease caused by plaque and tartar deposits. It has been proven that the most common cause of bad breath in cats is dental problems, specifically periodontal disease. While breath odor can be from many things, veterinarians agree that periodontal disease is the most common cause of bad breath in cats. Periodontal disease is an infection that results from the buildup of soft plaque on the surface of the teeth around the gums. In some cases, putrid breath is caused by a condition called lymphocytic plasmacytic stomatitis. In brief, it is an inflammation of the oral mucosa in cats. Feline stomatitis is a severe and painful problem that can sometimes be life-threatening for your pet. It is known that stomatitis can be associated with feline leukemia virus, feline immunodeficiency virus, Callisa virus, Bartonella, or other infections. It is known that oral cancer can also cause bad breath. As the tumor grows, it can become infected and cause bad breath. Cancer occurs if squamous cell carcinoma develops in your cat's mouth. It can occur on any soft tissue, including the gum, tongue, palate, and tonsils. It usually causes bad breath and difficulty eating. Sometimes bad breath signals a health problem that is not coming from the mouth. According to veterinarians, if your cat's breath smells like ammonia or urine, it could be kidney disease, which is not uncommon in cats 8 years of age and older. It is known that if your cat's breath has a fruity odor, it may indicate diabetes. Additional signs can be if the animal drinks more water than usual, urinates more often, and loses weight despite a strong appetite. According to veterinarians, in addition to bad breath, a cat with liver disease may have yellowing of the whites of the eyes or the skin of the ears or gums. The cat may also be lethargic, have a poor appetite, vomit or diarrhea, drink, and urinate more frequently than usual. Treatment will depend on the cause of the liver disease. Your cat's diet has a direct impact on his breathing. A poor diet with additives and hard-to-digest foods can definitely lead to poor breathing. A proper diet can improve gastrointestinal health as well as your cat's breathing. Sometimes we need to open the cat's mouth. To do that, grasp the curve of the cat's muzzle across the cheekbones and gently press it. Next, use the index finger of your other hand to press or pull down on the lower jaw. The goal of the treatment is quite simple: to rid your cat's breath of bad odor. Brushing your cat's teeth is one of the most effective ways to prevent tartar buildup. You should use a toothpaste made specifically for cats. You can buy such toothpaste at pet stores or at your veterinarian's office. It is also recommended that you have your cat's teeth professionally cleaned by your veterinarian at least once a year. Keep in mind that this procedure will require light anesthesia, sedation, for your cat. Anesthesia is needed not only to make it easier for the veterinarian to move around your cat's teeth while he or she sleeps, but also to get into hard-to-reach areas. Do not let your cat chew objects that are harder than its teeth. It makes sense to offer chewable oral hygiene tablets. There are catnip chews and other dental treats that can help your cat keep his mouth clean. There are new products that you can add to your cat's drinking water to reduce tartar and plaque buildup. These include Dental Fresh, Pet Kiss Plaque, and other tartar removal liquids. However, keep in mind if you are adding an additive to your pet's water, make sure they will drink that water. So what to do about bad smell in cats? To sum it up: first, periodically listen, or rather, smell your pet. However, the smell of lilies in the valley is not guaranteed. Second, observe the cat's behavior. Any changes or unusual behavior should alert you. Third is of course an annual oral and dental exam by your veterinarian.
We usually have our cats examined at the time of their annual vaccinations. The vet always checks our cats' mouths and teeth before vaccinating them. We advise you to do the same.
Well, that's probably all for today. We hope our materials were useful for you and your pets. Share your thoughts, cases, and ideas in the comments. It will be informative for everyone. And good luck to all.